As a mom juggling two kids, a cat and a dog, I'd nearly resigned myself to the idea that clean floors were a lost cause. My feet were constantly met with sticky food spills, muddy paw prints, or dust bunnies. I did my best to vacuum and mop when I could, but with work, parenting, cooking, and a never-ending to-do list, scrubbing the floors for the third time in a week felt like a low priority, despite the allure of spotless floors. It seemed like an impossible goal until I discovered the Roborock Q7 M5 Plus vacuum and mop combo. This isn't some entry-level vacuum. It's the upgraded Q7 Max Plus model with a self-emptying dock that only requires changing every 7 weeks. What I appreciate about this model is that it gets the job done while maintaining a budget-friendly price tag. So let's start with the updated design. At just 3.8 inches tall, this vacuum mop combo can easily clean those hard-to-reach spots, like under the couch or dresser. The Rock Dock Plus is surprisingly low profile considering that it still manages to fit a massive 2.7-liter dust bag inside for zero-touch emptying. And did I mention that it only has to be changed about every 7 weeks? What about the setup? I was done under 5 minutes. The user-friendly app synced to Wi-Fi and mapped out my 1,700 square foot home in under 20 minutes. I popped on the mopping extension, and with one tap, it was off, devouring food crumbs with 10,000 PA suction and sliding over sticky spills. I really loved the app because I can customize each clean by room or manually set zones. Water flow can be adjusted for hardwood floors, and you can turn up the suction for those carpeted areas. You can set no-go zones too, which I personally love during nap times. Runtime hits 150 minutes easy, covering my whole spread without a recharge hiccup. The washable mopping pad traps 99% of allergens, and Alexa integration means, hey, clean the playroom while I'm mid-meal prep. Effortless. In tests, it nailed no-go zones around cat bowls, deep cleaned carpet seams in Deep Plus mode, and stayed pretty quiet at 60 dB. A week in, and my floors are way cleaner than I could ever have gotten them with my busy schedule. The special V-shaped brush means minimal tangles, which means less manual interventions for you. I will say a few crumbs and corners were missed at times, but I will take that consistent 90% perfect clean over me having to do it myself, getting burnt out and maybe managing to snag a few more crumbs here and there. I had thought that with pets and kids, always clean floors would be a luxury reserved for when guests came over, or when my kids were grown up. It turns out that the only thing I needed to fill the gap between surviving clean and thriving clean was the right tool. The Roborock Q7 M5 Plus was that tool that bridged the gap. Now I have clean floors every day, no matter how messy life gets. If you're ready to treat yourself to clean your floors at the touch of a button, check out the links in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home product reviews.